Many of you have asked me, where can I get these tools and supplies that you use in your classes? Well, it's very simple. Let me show you. I'm going to put a link in the description below. It'll take you to my Amazon store, which looks like this. Look through it, find the item that you're interested in, and buy it. That's it. It's that simple. And with every Amazon product, as you know, if you're not happy with the product, just return it, right? I'm also going to show you what each item is and what it does. So here we go. And if you were in the industry or looking forward to going into the industry, you will need two kinds of scissors. This one is used to cut paper. When I say paper, there's two kinds of paper. There's manila paper, which is, it's not really cardboard, but it's sort of a stock paper. And then there's also dotted paper, sort of more of a lightweight dotted paper. So if you were cutting paper, you would use these scissors. Otherwise, just a regular, normal pair of scissors for fabric. And in this course, we'll use a fabric called muslin to drape patterns. You will need a pencil, very sharp pencil, and a ruler, an 18-inch clear. This bends, you can see it, it's flexible, 2-inch by 18-inch clear ruler. You will need pins, good old safety pins, not safety pins, I should say. These are regular pins, not safety pins. These are just straight pins, okay? You will need a French curve. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna hold it against a dark background. This is a French curve. Okay, it has a certain shape to it. See that? You will need a hip curve. It has a certain shape. This is a hip curve. You will need a tracing wheel. Tracing wheel. There's different variations, but they're all pretty much the same. This little wheel that turns with little teeth at the end. You will need an awl, A-W-L, spelled A-W-L. It's got a little point, it's very sharp. It makes something called a drill hole. It's a little tiny hole in the pattern. A notcher, this is a notcher and it makes, you can hear the clicking, it makes notches. Scotch tape, good old scotch tape, and stapler. And along with stapler is a staple remover to remove staples, okay? If you want to purchase a really great textbook, I highly recommend this textbook right here. It's used in the industry and it's really an excellent textbook for pattern making. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.